So we fabbing up 40-inch wheel tub. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss it, you just don't.
We're the garage kings, the rulers of steel. Hot rods, rat rods, rolling on real. V8 rumble, the ground does dance. Best you've seen at every glance. Friends rolling, the school bells.
Get her done. We got wheel tubs. So we welded the body to the chassis and got some bare metal where the weld was. We had to grind it down, weld it, and good, get a good weld on it. So Rat Rod Jr., he's spraying flat black on it. He's getting carried away a little bit. He's starting to spray black paint everywhere. Anyway, he got those spots painted and he wanted to paint more. He still had paint in the gun, so he didn't want that to go away, so he started painting body panels. And man, I told him, I said, just paint the whole car, be done with it. So that's what he done. And I told him, I said, well, the only problem is them red fenders and doors ain't gonna match too good on it. We made it out of cardboard, wheel tub out of cardboard, just see and make sure it fit in there and how it's gonna look. Yeah, they cutting out the steel now. Sheet metal, 20 gauge. Use 20 gauge sheet metal is what we got. Got shears to cut it. It ain't gotta be perfect, but them shears do a pretty good job. But yeah, got it. They cut a circle out too, a little circle. Can't cut a really sharp circle, but a little bit of curve, you do that with it. Do hammer dolly work to get that edge of that piece where the other piece will fit in it. So basically, something just to go. I mean, I don't know. We just put a lip on it. I think it worked better with a lip than it worked without one. So we put one on it. Yeah, a little hammer and dolly work, get that, no problem. Rat Rod Jr. got it. Slip roll, the tub. Yeah. Yeah, a little slip roll work. Kind of a tight roll. It'd be fine.
Turn it back up.
Better be too tight and not tight enough.
You want to come down?
Yep. Oh, Harbor Freight slip roll. Work good. No problem. No problem whatsoever. Work like a charm. We don't have no clue what we're doing, but we're gonna figure it out. That's basically what's happening. Yeah, that'll work. We'll make it work.
I put it on that other roller, huh?
See if it fits in now. Yeah. Man, look at that. It's gonna be great. Yeah, we're working on wheel tubs. We got one end, not complete, but just stuck in there. Gonna look something like that. We got the other one over here ready to weld up. That's what it looks like from the back. See, we still gotta do the outer edge. So we're getting there, we just ain't got it yet, but working on wheel tub basically is what's happening. I mean, hey, it ain't perfect, but who cares? It's a rat rod. It's gonna be great. Yeah, it's gonna be great. Yeah, we're busy on the 64 Nova building wheel tubs, fender well tub, whatever you want to call them, tubs. We're tumping it out. I got a good start on it. I got one in, pretty much. I use little pieces to finish the outside because it's a tough fit. Got it pop riveted in. I'm gonna take silicone seal this off on the fender all the way around. It ain't perfect, who cares, it's a rat rod. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be great. I still gotta finish the edges on the other side. So I'm gonna work on that now. And then we'll see what it looks like when I get them both done. Then I gotta paint them. They gotta be painted too, so there's that. Yeah, hey, I think this might work. Shot it inside. Of course the car is tilted, so there's that. Might throw the camera angle off a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah. Hey, we're getting it, we just ain't got it yet. Yep. Rat rod style. Yeah, I want to thank my boys too. Rat Rod Jr. and TJ for, man, they sweated a couple of days out here with me getting these things built. So yeah, appreciate it. All right, we're about to wipe these bad boys down with some mineral spirits and spray some flat black paint on them. How about that? Yeah, I went over with the orbital sander 80 grit. I want it kind of rough, so yeah. Rat Rod Jr. wiping it down with mineral spirits, and we're fixing to shoot the black on it. Yeah, that. So, more flat black. You got Rat Rod Jr. Painting the tubs. We wiped it down with mineral spirits, shooting black paint over it. Man, it didn't take but just a couple of days for that sheet metal to start getting surface rust. Down here in the south, man, it gets bad. So I took the orbital sander with some 80 grit on it and roughed that up really good. Then we wiped it down with mineral spirits, so hopefully that black paint will stick. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Rat Rod Jr. got it going on. Got his PPP on, and man, he sprayed the black paint. Doing a good job too. Get her done. Man, we still got a lot of work left to do. Hey, leave me a comment, let me know everything about the wheel tubs. They 40-inch wheel tubs, by the way. 40-inch diameter. Yeah, next video, Zoomie headers. I got some stainless steel tubing. 2 boxes of it, matter of fact. I got a flange ordered for the big block 496 stroker motor. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna let this back down on the floor, get it off the rotisserie. I'm gonna stick the engine of the transmission back in it, and take that stainless steel tubing and those stainless steel flanges, exhaust flanges I got, and I'm gonna build some Zoomie headers like I built for the Demon Falcon and like Falcon sign. Yeah, done those with Falcon sign. Those are 2 1/4 pipe. And man, I like the way they sounded, because I had 2-inch pipe on when I had the stroker motor in it, 2-inch Zoomies, and man, that 2 1/4 just sounded a lot better, a little deeper tone. And so I told Michael, I said, man, your car sounds great. I think I'm gonna try some 2 1/2-inch on a Nova. So I got 2 1/2-inch stainless pipe. I want to try to make Zoomies. I don't know if it's gonna fit or not, but we're gonna find out. So there's that. But I'm happy with the wheel tubs. That's a big shot right there. We got a lot of floor pans and stuff to do, but And we'll get these Zoomie headers out of the way and then we'll move on. All right. I appreciate you guys. See you next time.